your boy Isu, and my channel is obviously at Isu, and this channel is here to help you guys, to help you men out there who want to level up themselves. So this channel is for you. So I have a few questions to ask you to see where you belong. Okay, so the first question is, are you confident? Are you confident? It's easy to say, yeah, I'm confident, but I'm gonna give you an example. Like, you're walking down the street and your head is down. It tells people that you are not confident. Or maybe you're gonna meet with someone and then you just look away. Okay? That might be like for another reason, but normally if you keep doing that, people say, oh, this guy is not confident. So if you're not confident, this channel is gonna help you to be confident. The second question is your conversation very short? If your conversation is very, very short, then I'm gonna help you to bust that so that you're gonna be able to go for like 30 minutes or maybe 1 hour. You meet with a beautiful girl, you just say, hey, how you doing? And then you don't know what to say again. So I'm really gonna help you out so you're gonna have what to say. Alright? Now the third question, do you want to become a protector? Protector means, you've been in a position where you can able to protect yourself and your loved one, protecting your body in a certain way. You understand that? So I'm gonna give you a self-defense content because I have done martial art. So I'm gonna give you some content to really protect yourself. And the fourth question is, do you want to become muscle? Yeah, you want to be muscle, you want to look good, yeah, in your body. Yeah, I don't mean like you being bigger like elephant, no. I mean, you want to become muscle, look stronger. So you want to be, as I gave you these 4 questions, then this is your channel. Then I want you to subscribe to my channel, or you give me a follow, and you turn on the notification button, that anytime that I upload a new video, then you will be notified. And I'll be uploading my videos, 2 videos every week. So come here and see my content, watch them and learn something. I want you to comment always your thought. If I say something you feel like, oh, this is not good, just comment. Give me all your thoughts in the comment below. That's what I want. Subscribe and let's take this channel. It's your channel. Whatever you want me to create, I will create it for you, man. It's your channel. So let's take this channel to 20 million subscribers. That's my aim and my goal. So let's go. Woo!